Hello guys, welcome back to a new video. I will show you how to use Claude AI for writing long documents. So let's get started. First, open the Claude AI app or go to the Claude AI website and sign in to your account. Over here, type a prompt describing the document you want Claude AI to write. After that, include important details like the topic, purpose, length, tone, and format. Then tap the Send button. Over here, Claude AI will generate the first draft of your document. After that, review the draft and ask Claude AI to expand or improve specific sections. Then, continue giving follow-up prompts to add more details or make revisions. Over here, ask Claude AI to organize the document with headings, sections, or bullet points if needed. After that, review the completed document and make any final changes. Then, copy the finished document or export it if the option is available. And that wraps it up. If you found this video useful, please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.